everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to cover setting up your scanner for Amazon Sunday. Now by this time you should have your route number that was assigned to you, and you should have grabbed a truck key because that information, you're going to need that to set up your scanner. Now let's go right into it. Let's grab your scanner, wake it up. You're going to see a screen, and at the bottom right you're going to see an enter button. Press the enter button and it's going to prompt you to scan your postal ID. Okay, you've all been issued a postal ID. You should have it with you at all times. If you have it in a lanyard or in your pocket, wallet, purse, whatever it may be, you should have it on you at all times. From that, it's going to send you to another menu called the user role. You're going to hit number 5, which is city carrier. The next menu is going to be a user type, and you're going to put number 2, on-street motorized. From there, you're going to have to put in your truck number, so that's where that key comes into play. There's a little placard on your key. Should be a number on there. Type that number in. Set your truck up. You should have already done your safety check on your truck. Make sure there's no dents, dings, anything like that, broken mirror. Make sure your hazards work. Make sure your left and right turn signals work. Make sure your parking brake works. From there, on that menu, you're going to press yes. You've already done it. If you haven't found anything wrong with the truck, then you're going to press no on the next screen. From there, you'll be sent to the on-street menu. You're going to scroll down a little bit and come to number 7. It's dynamic delivery. You're going to press dynamic delivery. It's going to prompt up one single menu item, and it's going to say dynamic or dynamic 21 or run dynamic. They might be in order a couple times. You're going to have to press the button. Once you run that, it's going to come to a larger menu item, and the second option, number 2, is going to be delivery routes. You're going to hit that delivery routes, and it's going to take you to another menu with a bunch of routes on it. You're going to see Y in front of it, and then like Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, and so on. So how many routes there are that day, you're going to see all those routes in there. Whatever route you have, say you have route 7, go ahead and push Y7. It's going to take you directly to the manifest for your route on that day. So your first delivery should show up. It'll be outlined with a white line. Press enter. Once you press enter, that's going to take you to the navigation. The navigation, once you leave the station, the navigation will start working and send you wherever you need to go. Once you get to your destination, your first delivery, you're going to press the back button, which looks like a greater than sign in the bottom left hand of the actual scanner face. You're going to press that button. You're going to back up. It's going to say either 1 mapping or 2 delivery. You're going to hit number 2. It's going to show up your normal screen for when you scan a barcode. You scan the barcode, and then it should highlight it green or orange, one of those 2 colors. Once you scan that parcel, you're going to be taken back to your manifest. You should be highlighted the next delivery option from there. If you're getting value from this, make sure to put a stamp on that like button, put a stamp on that subscribe, and mail it out to me for more content. Now I got a little bonus for you. How to set up your truck for success. Every package that you get is going to be labeled. There's going to be the route number. So if you're on route 1, you're going to have 1 and then 1. That would be route 1, delivery 1. Route, with the later deliveries, you're going to have like route 1. So 1-25, 1-50. So that's how you're going to kind of put your packages in order. Personally, if I'm in an LLV, I like to keep like 1 through 20 to the left of me on my tray, and then everything else kind of in a counterclockwise, order back around to the truck. So directly behind you should be your last deliveries. Some deliveries are a little bit bigger than others, so you might not be able to put everything in the front with you. Just make sure you make a mental note of where that parcel is when you load up your truck. Make sure it's easily accessible, because you don't want to be digging through there throughout the day. It's gonna take more time away from you being out there, and I know everyone on Sundays wants to be home with their family, doing whatever they want to do, go out, hang out with your friends. Sunday's a day of rest. So unless you really like that extra money, but we don't really get paid extra for working Sundays, so it's all up to you. But yeah, personally, that's how I do it. I put my 1 through 20s, my 20 through 30, 30 through 40, all in an order around in a circle, so I can just work my way to the back of the back of the truck. It just makes everything so much easier when you're going through that day. So well, that's it for this video. So I'll see you guys on the next time. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Be safe.